Hello and welcome to the channel. It's time to complete the last piece for the trunk. Okay, here's where I'm at with the trunk. The last piece I got from my buddy Zach. Zach, thank you very much. I removed the weather strip channel that was tack welded to the top and removed the metal trunk piece that was on the bottom. And I just primed it with some weld through primer. Now this has to be mounted down here. I'm going to reference the other car to see how far back it should go, just so I get it as close as possible. What kind of sucks is I can't get it from the back side, so I'm going to have to actually drill through 2 layers of metal here and just put a pool of, as soon as I get a good weld, just fill it up with a pool of weld and then try to grind it down as smooth as possible for the weather strip. And then down here, I've already marked off, I'm going to cut that piece out. Tried to hammer it flat, but there's some very thin sections of the metal. I'm just going to cut that piece out and weld in another thicker gauge metal. I'm not sure what gauge this is. This is the one that came off that piece, but I will measure it and see what I have in my scrap heap, because I'm sure this is way too thin to mess with and it's all distorted. So I just figured it'd be a much better piece to weld on if I have a nice flat bar here. So I'm going to get started on that. Okay, I just cut this piece out, and I'm going to look for a similar gauge metal. Should have it in my scrap heap. Cut as close as I can, bevel the edge a little bit, maybe a 45, and weld it in. And then I'm still debating what to do up here. Do I drill holes through this? Do I drill holes and rivet it in? That would probably be kind of lame. I'll just mark where the hole should be and I'll drill it out. Okay, the patch is welded in. I'm going to grind the welds and hope for the best. I am going to have to weld it from the bottom as well, but I can see that I got good penetration on the welds, which is the biggest concern for a piece like this, because it's going to be kind of structural every time you slam the trunk. Okay, trunk closes, locks and unlocks. Zach, thank you. It was a labor of love. I got it done. It was very difficult to spot weld. I had to kind of reverse engineer this whole thing. But it's in there, and I'm happy with the results. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks.